Welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can set up two-factor authenticator on your Crypto.com. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you need to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. First thing, you need to log in into Crypto.com, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see a gear icon located in the top left corner of your screen. You'll need to click on it. As you click on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page, and on this page you need to scroll down right to the bottom, and right in between you'll be able to find an option as two-factor authentication. You need to click on it. Next interface will have the information or the statement regarding this particular feature. So you can go through all of these information before you enable two-factor authenticator. And once I've gone through the statement, in the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see the switch. You need to toggle it on. As it turns green, it indicates that it has been enabled. After you've tapped on the switch, you'll land on the setting up two-factor authenticator. So this page contains instructions on how to set up two-factor authenticator. This includes installing Google Authenticator, copying the authenticator link, which is right at the bottom. As you're done copying the key, next thing you need to do is download Google Authenticator on your device. So after you've opened the Google Authenticator app, you need to add Crypto.com to it. So by doing so, you'll be able to get verification code from Crypto.com to Google Authenticator. So to begin with, you need to click on the plus icon located right at the bottom. As you tap on the plus icon, a couple of options will appear. So from the option, you need to click on enter a setup key. This includes scanning the QR code and entering the setup key that I've recently copied. You'll be directed to the page where you need to enter the account detail. So the page includes entering your account and the key that you've recently copied. So first of all, you need to enter Crypto.com. So this will allow you to identify where your verification is coming from. And secondly, you need to paste in the verification key that you've recently copied from the Crypto.com, and then you'll get the authenticator key. Next thing you need to do is click on add, which is right in the corner. Now you'll be able to receive Crypto.com verification code on Google Authenticator, and then you need to tap on the verification code in order to copy it. And you also need to copy the verification code of the Crypto.com. And once again, you need to head back to your Crypto.com. And once you're on the Crypto.com, you need to click on proceed to verify. After you tapped on proceed to verify, you'll need to enter the 6-digit verification code. As you remember that you've recently copied the code from Google Authenticator, so you'll need to paste it right over here. And after you're done entering the verification code, tap on enable 2FA, which is right at the bottom, and you have successfully enabled two-factor authenticator for your Crypto.com. So that is how you can set up two-factor authenticator on your Crypto.com or 2FA on your Crypto.com. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.